Now let us learn one more verb for today. The verb we are going to learn is connaître. Connaître. It means to know. Connaître, it means to know. So, shall we learn the conjugation? Are you ready? For je, we say je connais. Je connais. For tu, it is tu connais. For il, it is il connaît. Note the change in the spelling. For elle, it is elle connaît. So, je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît. For nous, it is nous connaissons. Nous connaissons. For vous, it is vous connaissez. So kindly note the spellings. It is different from the infinitive form. So for nous, it is nous connaissons. For vous, it is vous connaissez. For il, it is ils connaissent. For elle, it is elle connaît. So, this is the conjugation for the verb connaître. Connaître means to know. For je, it is je connais. It means I know. Je connais. I know. For tu, it is tu connais. It means you know. Tu connais. You know. For il, it is il connaît. It means he knows. Il connaît. He knows. For elle, it is elle connaît. She knows. Elle connaît. For nous, it is nous connaissons. Nous connaissons. We know. For vous, it is vous connaissez. You know. For il, it is il connaît. They know. For elle, it is elle connaît. They know. So, this is the conjugation. I hope you understood this. Say it once again along with me. Je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, il connaît, elle connaît. So, this is the conjugation of the connaître verb. So, what are the verbs we have learned today? We learned the verb comprendre, devoir and connaître. I hope you understood the conjugation of these three verbs.